Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by degreasing and removing contaminants. This step ensures polishing works. Apply a mild alkaline cleaner diluted as labeled, scrub with a soft brush along the grain, then rinse. Once done, dry thoroughly with a microfiber towel to avoid streaks and mineral spots. Make sure to mask nearby materials, paint, plastic, electronics, so they stay protected. Lastly, inspect for rust or deep stains. Spot treat those areas now, so the next abrasive steps are effective and uniform. You proceed to remove scratches by sanding along the grain. This preserves the stainless look. Start with 400-800 grit for visible scratches, using steady, even strokes and maintaining a wet surface to prevent heat buildup and gouging. Once scratches are reduced, make sure to step up grits, 1,000 to 2,000, so you blend the finish smoothly. Between grits, rinse and dry, and recheck the pattern. Consistent direction maintains a uniform appearance. After blending, prepare the surface for polishing. You finish by polishing to restore luster and applying a protective layer to delay corrosion. Use a small amount of polish or rubbing compound on a soft pad, buffing along the grain until uniform shine appears. Make sure to remove residue from edges. Follow with a thin coat of oil or certified stainless sealant to repel fingerprints and moisture, wiping excess. If the finish looks cloudy or streaked, resand the affected area with the finest grit used. Then repolish. This targeted fix usually restores clarity without redoing the whole surface.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.